Yesterday afternoon, I told Fahad to get some fruits of pears from the tree, fresh from the tree, near to our house. That is my sister-in-law house. Last week, I get also, but only few pieces of pears. So I told Fahad to get, and this only he get. He said, and in some few days he will get again. And this is already ready to eat. So ito yung mga kinuha niya. Yan. Oh. Because every day we are eating also this one. 1 piece, 2 pieces like that. Especially my husband. He said, you make what you call this nashpati. You remove skin, then I want to eat. So every day I build 2 to 3 pieces or 5 pieces like that. So we eat also. Ayan ito. You can keep this one in one place sa ibabaw ng kama o yung ano hindi makita ni langga. Kasi kung makita niya ito, sisirain niya, kakagatin niya tapos ano, sayang lang. So ilalagay ko ito sa ano, ilalim ng kama. Yung hindi niya makita. Ayan. You can keep this one and you can consume this one for 2 to 3 months. Hindi naman masisira kasi if you get from that tree, then it's more time to consume. Pero yung mga nahulog, madali lang yan mabulok. So ayan. I think this one in Philippines not available in fruit stand. I think you can find this one in supermarket, but I think this one is expensive, and I think you can find this one only during Christmas. And I told my niece, she told me that this is very expensive. He said 2 pieces of this one pears is cost 65 pesos, like this. So very expensive there in Philippines. I think in Philippines uh, you cannot plant this kind of tree, this pears, also apples. But here in our place, in our village, we don't have tree of pears, but some our neighbor, especially to my sister-in-law, they have, and some our neighbor here also. We have before yung markot ba, kaya lang na ano na tumba yung lakas ng ulan noon. Marami na sanang bunga yon. 2 to 3 years yun na minarkot ng kaibigan ng asawa ko, kaya lang ano nung lakas ng ulan at saka yung hangin na ano na tumba, sayang nga yung mga bunga. Yan, matamis ito, masarap, crunchy siya. Pero pag pinatagal ito na ano ipahinog, ano mas lalong malambot ito at ano mag-yellow siya. Pero ano, pero ito crunchy at saka ano din. Masarap na ano yung ano niya, yung tamis niya ay okay lang, natural sweets. Mas masarap ito pag ano mas matagal ipahinog. Malambot siya at saka ano matamis, juicy. Ayan. So next week again sabi ni Fahad ano, kukuha siya ulit. Ano lang ito, consume lang namin na pang araw-araw na ano na ano kakainin. Marami pa doon bunga. Marami pang bunga, kailang sobrang taas. Yung nakuha ko last week ay yung na ano lang, yung maabot ko lang. Meron pang konti doon. Kaya lang, pwede na ito i-harvest para hindi masayang kasi hinuhulog ng uwak. Maraming nahuhulog. Kaya sabi ko kay Fahad, damihan mo ang kukuha. Kaya nagbigay ako ng ng sakong malaki, kaya lang konti lang yung kinuha niya. Ito lang. Sabi ko sa kanya, kunin mo pa, wag kukuha ka pa doon. Sabi niya, babalik daw siya. Malapit lang dito sa sa bahay namin. Yun doon banda, oh. Kaya lang hindi makita yung bahay nila doon kasi natabunan ng maraming puno. Maraming mga dahon-dahon. Doon banda sa baba. Andali ko. Doon banda. Hindi mo makita yung bahay nila kasi natabunan ng mga puno. Maraming mga puno, oh. Oh, doon banda. Hindi makita. Hindi makita kasi doon banda. Maganda ang weather ngayon. Kahapon maganda din ang weather. Let's eat pears, everyone. I slice only 2 pieces of fresh organic pears. And then yung balat niya ay ipakain ito sa kambing. Ayan, kain tayo. Bismillah, wala barakatila. If you eat one, then you cannot feel hungry. And this is more healthy to eat fruits rather than junk foods.